If you're facing the frustrating issue of TV refusing to turn on, you're not alone. There could be several reasons behind this problem. But let's start with the basics. First and foremost, start by removing any surge protectors, extension cords, and power strips from the path between your outlet and TV. You'll want to plug your TV directly into the outlet. Step 1. Software glitch. Sometimes the software on your TV gets hung up on a process and is having trouble returning to normal function. A reset should get it out of any bugs or bad loops. To reset your TV, you will need to do the following. Firstly, unplug your TV and leave it unplugged for 3 minutes. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds to discharge static electricity. After 3 minutes later, then plug the TV back in. Then try to turn on the TV. Does it work now? Yay, you're done. If persists the same problem, then go on to the next step. Step 3. Faulty power supply. If the red light is blinking on and off, it's likely that your TV has a bad power supply. For the next tests, you will need to open the back of your TV. This can be both physically difficult, or you may not feel comfortable opening the TV up. If you choose to do so, there are a couple of tests you can do to see what has failed. Remove the power cord and all other cables connected to the unit. Before open the back cover, you have to wait 30 minutes to avoid high voltage electric shock. After remove the back cover of the unit, you should look at the power supply board for burn marks or swollen components. Especially capacitors. See the picture. These can fail in a way that the TV will start to behave strangely and then just go dark. There is also a fuse on most power supply boards. If it is blown, it can be checked for continuity. It is usually a sign of other failures on the board. If power supply board looks good, move on to the last step. Step 4. Motherboard failure. Backlight malfunction. A quick test that will show if the motherboard that your TV is definitely on the back panel of the TV. Your TV might actually be on. Unplug the TV, especially if the standby light is shown in red box and the black screen is caused by there should be a black cable running. You can check this using a power supply board to a connector on the motherboard. Look for a faint disconnect the cable from power supply board. If it's there, now plug in the TV and turn it on. It may be a bad power supply board through the small holes in the rear of the metal components. If it is another possible indicator of a shorted general indication of a failed standby light. You can replace the backlight. To replace the motherboard. You can order units and hopefully the problem will be resolved. And replacement involves just screws and connectors. In summary, if TV won't turn on, start by plugging it directly into the outlet and resetting it. Inspect the power supply board for damage or blown fuse, and if all looks good, test the motherboard. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem with your TV. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Your support means the world to us.
In that option, you can see all the information about your TV, including all. Let's start. Firstly, turn on your TCL